everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Neha. I'm back with yet another haul. So today I'll be sharing Max Fashion haul with you. मैंने totally random shopping करी है, तो जो भी shopping करी है सारे products मेरे पास यहाँ पे हैं, which I'll be sharing with you. So कुछ t-shirts हैं, like mostly t-shirts हैं, and remaining are slipper and wallet and everything. So I'll be sharing everything with you. Honest review मेरा जो भी होगा, जो भी मैंने यूज़ किया, मैंने अभी जैसे पैकेट ओपन किया है, तो जो भी मुझे जैसा भी लाइक फैब्रिक फील और उसकी क्वालिटी एंड उसका प्राइस जो भी मुझे लगेगा, मैं सब आपके साथ टोटली लाइक ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू शेयर करूँगी. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई हैव इज दिस क्यूट लिटिल वॉलेट, जो कि मैंने मैक्स से लिया है. आई थिंक इट वॉज फॉर ओनली 299 रुपीज़. इट हैज़ दिस क्यूट डिटेलिंग ओवर है, जो कि कुछ टेक्सचर सा बैज है और समथिंग, एंड इट हैज़ दिस फैब्रिक. बट लेट मी assure you this is not leather or something. ये एक polyester का fabric है. I hope you can see this. But print is really nice. That's why I've ordered. So इसमें just एक zip है, and under that we have this. So I have placed all my cards over here and cash, and we have this coin chain and few compartments over here. So cards, maybe you will get multiple like 3 sections to fill in your cards and your money and everything. More or less it's a good or like handy product. You can easily handle this anywhere. You can just carry this with your day-to-day life and everything. I don't like those big wallets because उसको carry करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है, especially for me, because मेरी चीज़ें गिरती पड़ती रहती है. So yeah, it's a handy product. You can definitely give it a try, and because it's a fabric, you can wash this too. So yeah, it's a good deal. Alright guys, so next product we have is this basic v-neck tee from Max. So I have been searching for a basic tee, like a plain clear tees. Like I need multiple colors and plain tees with no plain nothing for since a long time. And H&M वगैरह पे वो I guess 500-600 की मिलती थी. But on Max I got this under 250 rupees. I'll be sharing all the prices on my video and link of all the products in the description box. But can you just imagine, this is for 209. Apart from Saroni, we never get anything so cheap from anywhere. So इसमें मेरा size है M, and क्या कहते हैं इसका MRP is 199 rupees. So yeah, it is under 200. It's a really nice, guys. Fabric is really nice, and fabric is not sheer as well. If you can see, you cannot see my hand or something. You can, yeah. So it's a good deal for summer, I guess, for 199. 199 में क्या ही आता है आजकल. So yeah, give it a try. Next up I have this tea, guys, जिस पे लिखा है find the fish. So you have to find the fish. Without fish कहाँ है? This is the one. So yeah, guys, you'll get this in pink color, and इसका fabric थोड़ा sheer है. Like you can see my hand behind that, no? So इसका fabric थोड़ा sheer है, so you have to wear something under this. But overall the quality is really nice, the price is really nice. This is for 249, and I think I got this for 209 or something. So I think it's a good deal from the Max kind of brand, which is a good brand. So yeah, guys, again, you can pair this with shorts, with denims, with pants, or anything for a casual look, or with a white shirt over it. So it's a good deal, guys. Okay, so next up we have this again basic tee. Those were a v-neck tee, and this is a round neck tee, so it's different. I can buy more of tees with different neck tees. So this is a round neck tee, and my size in this is L. I have ordered one size bigger because my M size was not available, so I have ordered L in this, so to try if I can fit this in, and I'll make a knot or something, because color was really nice, so I really needed that. So yeah, guys, I'll be sharing all various like trials of all the garments in the like along with all the products, so that you can see how it is looking like. Yeah, guys, so the MRP of this is 199. You will not get anything in 199 nowadays. Still there. Next up we have is this yellow tea again. Tea, I think this haul is all about teas and wallets, I guess. So this is a yellow color tea and it's written, "This is what an awesome woman looks like." And yeah, it's a kind of a crop top. No, not really a crop top, but those tea has like bigger length and this has length till your waist. Yeah. So इस पे भी मैंने अपना size L मंगाया है because मेरा size था नहीं है, so I'll try to fit in in this because I really needed tees for summer. अभी summer जा रहा है, so you can wear these in winter too. So yeah guys, next up I have is these cute little sliders which you can wear on your home, on your trip, and yeah, beaches and everything. So this is what it looks like. So I have not tried it yet. It's written "Live in the Moment." So it has a really nice ombre kind of look, pink, dark pink, peach, and then light pink, and then blue, and it has as you can see, glitter straps. So it is looking really nice. You can give it a try, guys. I think it should be comfy too. So yeah. My size in this is 37, and the price of these sliders are 33.99, but I think I got this for 350 or something. I'll mention the price. Overall, it's a good deal, guys. You'll get good products, good quality at Max Fashion at a affordable price. So yeah, give it a try, guys. You can find more options over there, like denims, your dresses, kurtis, your jackets and everything, for men, women, kids and everything, accessories too. You can buy a good collection of like shoes, heels, your flats. For women's and for men's, you will get good sports shoes, trainer shoes, and your casual shoes. And for kids too, you can find out bags and everything. So overall, it's a good place to go with the family to complete all your bucket list in a single. Same, guys, I have same tee in ochre color as well. So this is what it looks like. So ochre color looks really nice with white pants or maybe black jeans or something. So आप इसको किसी के साथ प्लाजोज एंड एवरी प्लाजोज के साथ, अपने पैंट्स के साथ, आप एक शॉर्ट्स के साथ, डेनिम शॉर्ट्स, ब्लैक शॉर्ट्स और ऑम्ब्रे शॉर्ट्स, किसी के साथ भी आप इसको वो कर सकते हैं, वेयर कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ अ रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट, गाइस. फैब्रिक इज सेम, एवरीथिंग इज सेम एज द प्रीवियस वन, बट द हैंड फील इज़ रियली सॉफ्ट. सो समर्स में सॉफ्ट हैंड फील वाले फैब्रिक्स मुझे बहुत पसंद है, इंस्टेड ऑफ दो पॉलिस्टर फैब्रिक्स जो कि आपकी स्किन को चुभते. सो या, it's more of a organic fabric, so it's really a good deal. And 199 rupees, guys. So guys, I've tried one of this V-neck t-shirt. I thought trial kar rahe hain, why not to show you. So yeah, I think the fitting is really nice and the color is really looking nice on me, so I think I'm gonna keep this. But yeah, so I have more products. One more is this slider. So it is really looking nice on me, but the point is with what I'm gonna wear this. I think I should be ordering that other color of this, that grey silver one. But look at this, guys. This is really looking nice on me. I really want this, and this is a metal kind of look, but I think it's not metal, it's a plastic kind of thing, and this is a plastic too. So I'll just show you. My size in this is 37, and yeah, and the MRP of this, guys, is 599, but I got it on a discount with there is some offer going on, over 2000 rupees or 2500 rupees sale. You'll get 500 off, and over 1500 or something you'll get 200 rupees off. So this is what I got, guys, the pair. But this is really nice on on rainy season or something. आप इसको पहन सकते हो, and like not like other footwear like shoes and everything जो rainy season में गंदे हो जाते हैं and then वो ख़राब हो जाते हैं उनको wash कर करके. But प्लास्टिक की जो ये sliders होते हैं ये चलते हैं अच्छे से, बिकॉज ये एक वॉश में ठीक हो जाते हैं, इनको ज़्यादा क्लीन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. बट माई ओनली कंसर्न इज दिस, बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी दिस पार्ट, आई थिंक इट्स प्लास्टिक. माई ओन इट्स गुड, गाइज, बट जस्ट कि इसका अगर कलर ना उतरे so it's really nice. You can try it. The next product I have is a bag. It's called a stationery bag. So it is looks like this. इसमें पूरा sequin work दिया हुआ है, grey, silver grey. Yeah, sorry. This one is sequin. This one is fabric. So it is really looking nice to me. I can use this as a makeup pouch or something, and it has this pom-pom detailing at the end, which is really soft. And the MRP of this, guys, is 299 rupees, but I think I got this for 199 or something. So इसके अंदर आपको एक ये भी मिल जाता है साइड में लगाने के लिए, so that you can easily carry. And इसके अंदर वाइट कलर का पॉलिस्टर का फैब्रिक लगा है. So I think you can easily wash this off with mild detergent or something. Just dip and wash, not like a machine wash. So I really like this. The only thing I'm not liking is this black. They should put silver or something. Golden is looking really odd. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this or not, but yeah. Otherwise, this is really nice, guys. On at like below 300, this is a really good deal. I think I might keep this for makeup products or something while traveling, because कुछ outer purpose तो है नहीं इसका कि लेके जाना. So yeah, I think I should keep it. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I'll be back with more hauls. Thank you for watching. Bye.